Hey everyone, this is Mr. Molo. Just going to make a quick video to go over what you should be doing today. So remember, our ultimate goal for this is to make a puzzle cube that looks something like this. So 3 by 3 by 3, so 27 pieces total. And remember, you have 5 pieces in your puzzle cube. If you did your design requirements in your notes the other day, you would know that. And then remember, it says also in there that your 5 pieces, each of the 5 pieces is going to have between 4 and 6 pieces. I'm going to kind of give you a little hint here. You either need to have a 6, 6, 6, 5, 4, because those numbers add up to 27, or you need to have a 6, 6, 5, 5, 5 as your 5 pieces, because those numbers add 27. Those are the only 2 ways you can do it. So you shouldn't have, a 3 piece in your puzzle, 2 piece, a 1 piece, a 7 piece, or 4 sixes, because that would already be 24. So that doesn't work. So you should have 5 different colors there at your table. Remember, you're doing this in groups of 2 or 3. And your job today is to take these, 6 cubes and make 5 different pieces that fit together into a cube. Okay, so it might take some of you a little bit of time to come up with ideas or figure out how the things are going to fit. And then after that, remember, you're drawing them. So I talked about this in class on Mr. Molo when I did this assignment. Use pieces like this because this is kind of easy to draw. Or, pieces like this because this is easy to draw. So when you're doing that, think about, how complicated you'd like to make your puzzle with the knowing that you're going to have to draw these pieces. Okay, and then you can start drawing those pieces today, and then we'll have more time next class, and then after that your drawings will be due. So remember, when you start drawing your pieces, make sure that your pieces are lined up. So the left side and the left side of these pieces are lined up. They're on the same grid. If I look at mine are 3 squares in. So 1, 2, 3, I started drawing my top view. 1, 2, 3, I started drawing my front view. And then same thing on the bottom. Mine are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from the bottom. So my front view is 6 boxes up is where it starts, and my right view 6 boxes up from where it starts. So make sure those are lined up. Make sure you're using a ruler and try to get as many done as you can today. And like I said, we'll have more time to work on the drawings during your next class.